What's good, guys? Today we've taken a pretty good trade today. We went into shorts, and here's how it's going right here, and we're about to hit my second take profit, so that's actually pretty nice. Let's go over why I took this trade, and let's get to it. So on the daily, probably have seen this, we are bullish. Why am I going for shorts? Well, here's my theory. Not really theory, but my reasoning on why I'm going here. As we can see, we are very overextended on the daily. What I'm expecting is we're going to start making a daily retrace downwards, filling in this gap. This is what I'm thinking this daily candle is going to do. Go into this gap. I'll mark it out for you guys. And it is going to go a little bit into it. And I think we're going to kind of go down in the daily a bit, as we are very extended on the daily and even the weekly. But yeah, we broke structure on the 4 hour right here. Very small, but it's still a break of structure, so I was starting to kind of look for some shorts, and I really reckon we are gonna kind of rally down into some gaps to then get the momentum to skyrocket up, which is what I think is gonna happen. The 1 hour, pretty nice. I had to wait for nothing really. I mean, this long wick kind of scared me into going into some shorts, as we made a long wick and price was struggling to go down, so I wasn't too sure, and we were filling in this gap. And we still are right now. We have 5 minutes till hourly close. We just hit our take profit 2, so we are gonna move to break even. Yeah, break even. Yeah, on the hourly, let's hope we close like this so we can disrespect this gap and then hopefully rally down into here. But yeah, we're very bearish. USD has been very stable. It's been going very strong, which I'll show you guys that soon. 15 minute, not too much. We rallied up before, filled in these gaps, and then bang, went down. I'll show you what I entered on, what I entered from, which was something you guys might not know of, which is called it's called fair value gap stacking. And what fair value gap stacking is, when you can fair value gap stacking is kind of different. I forgot what you call it, but it's like fair value gap or imbalance kind of. You go through it. Anyways, what it is when you're in a strong trending market, so bullish, bearish, we're very strong on a bearish, and when you have gaps from here that have been disrespected, but you have gaps from here from previous 5 minute gaps. This is very hard to explain. I don't know how to explain it. And then you have a 5 minute bearish gap. You get very strong, more strong. I don't really know how to explain it. That's what I entered from. I entered from these fair value gap kind of I entered from these fair value gap whatever you call it, so I entered from this imbalance reaction. Once we got this imbalance and it reacted from it, I kind of entered. We hit equilibrium, which I'll quickly mark out. I'm pretty sure we did. Oh, no, we didn't. We did hit the 382 Fibonacci thing, though. But Fibonacci isn't really used for 5 minute time frames. It's more used for small time frames, but I'll mark it out anyways, because I did use it. And yeah, on the 1 minute, though, we waited for a break of structure to the downside, which was right here, and then we entered off of that. So nice reaction, and yeah, we're going in my direction, which is pretty nice. Hopefully we can hit my final take profit. I really reckon we're going to go down quite a lot, but we can't lose any money anymore, which is always a good feeling. Alright, so in this currency strength meter, which I showed you guys yesterday and how it's pretty useful, I used this and I wanted to check how the USD is going, so the currency USD. And if we take a look, this is now 429, but it's in the last hour. And USD was in bearish, so it looks a lot worse. But it was mad bullish. Like, it was bullish for like the whole time. I'll try go on the 30-minute. We've been bullish like the whole day. Yeah, like look at this. We didn't go bearish like one time. So I'm very like happy with how USD is going right now. Very strong. We are in the green. Oh, same with GBP. We are very strong on GBP, which is the kind of the same. We've been very strong on both currencies. USD has just been definitely stronger though. So yeah, I use this usually before I trade, before I start watching the charts, as it's nice to get a good overview, which I recommend using this. Definitely don't base it off of this for sure, but it's a good overview to see how the overall like currency is going. Yeah, so that's kind of it. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, I'll let you guys know if I win. Last trade I ended up losing. I can kind of show you that. Well, I didn't lose. I broke even. What's it called? This is on the 1 minute. I'll go on to the 5 minute for you guys. So we entered off of here and exited here. We were in overnight and we woke up in the morning and we were still on the trade. For some reason, it exited me out when we didn't even hit my break even stop loss, I guess. But it was okay. We didn't lose anything, so we ended up losing either way. But yeah, we were so close, by the way. I think we were like a few points away from just taking that dub. But yeah, what I need to work on, since it was a bank holiday, I should have just put my stops take profits a little bit higher. And yeah, that's how it went. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what I should do, or if you guys have any ideas on what I could upload. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next trade.